I know some of you guys don't upload your work on the internet because, as we all know, there's people that see something that you're valuable in, whatever skill you may have, which might be. Well, let's take a look at what copyrights cover. Any form of intellectual property protects original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works, such as poetry, novels, movies, songs, computer software, and architecture. So, if you have any type of like intellectual property that you could upload on the internet, yeah, someone's already trying to steal it. Sorry, but I will be working with a company soon that covers, cyber insurance. Pretty much covers you when you're on the net or when you're on your computer. Um, and there's different kinds of insurance as well for artists. Please cover yourself because this is really important. If I would have known about this type of insurance a long time ago, I think I would have probably already made a lot more money than what I have made in the past. Uh, anyway, do artists need insurance? The short answer is yes. An ACT insurance policy adds credibility and positions you as a professional. Okay, this is how you're gonna separate yourself from the boys and you're gonna become a man. Okay. However, there are other reasons artists need insurance. If you take your art to shows and fairs, many times directors will require you to have liability insurance policy and add them as an additional insured. Add them as an additional insured for your work in that insurance policy. Uh, do I need public liability insurance? Almost every artist and art professional operating on a freelance basis should have some sort of public liability insurance because despite all the best precautions, accidents can and will happen. So this means is uh, because you're an artist, sometimes like the stuff that you're using, any type of like form that you're using, sometimes you either copy somebody by accident or you download something that you thought you could use and now you can't. You realize you can't use it later because maybe the person you got it from is not legit and all that stuff. Yeah, you need insurance. You need insurance. Um, how does art insurance work? If your art collectibles are damaged or stolen, file a claim with your insurance company. It's covered. Your insurer may reimburse you for the cost of repair, or if lost or stolen, for the cost of replacement based on your insured's valuation. So this is also important. I have not figured out this part yet, but I will be talking to somebody who does this type of insurance, and I actually do have insurance experience. I actually did it for 7 years. For 7 long. I'm not gonna say miserable. I'm gonna say very exciting, awesome years. No, but seriously, yeah, it's actually insurance. I love insurance, dude. It gave me so much support through my tough years. So, uh, it really did. So, I love insurance. Is cyber insurance worth it for small business? Is it worth getting cyber insurance? So is cyber liability insurance worth it? The short answer is yes. The immediate costs of a data breach are significant, and the latent cost can be devastating. Cyber liability insurance offers several mitigation measures on high limits to cover the cost of breach. So that's exactly what you need it for because if you have any type of intellectual property, which means like any type of art, anything that you're actually creating that's not tangible, like your car, it's not tangible like a house, meaning like you can't actually feel it with your hands, you can't see it and feel it with your hands. Yeah, you're gonna need intellectual property insurance, which is cyber liability insurance when it comes to computers. So you do this, you get the cyber insurance, you get the copyright, and you also, whenever you're actually getting the cyber insurance, you're actually are gonna get taught how you're gonna cover yourself. because when I did my research, they actually tell you all the steps and things that they want you to have in order for you to be able to be covered under the insurance. So that is what I'm gonna start teaching you guys how to do, because there's a lot of dishonest people online, and they say it's their art when it's really not, you know. And there's a lot of like copycats and stuff like that. You don't want to put up with that kind of stuff. Honestly, cover yourself up. Cover yourself with insurance. Cover yourself with your copyright. Copyright.gov. COPYRIGHT .gov. Copyright. I'm sorry. Um, get your legal stuff done. Okay, get your antivirus. Get everything that you need. And honestly, by the time that they try to steal something from you, you'll already be covered. You won't have to worry about all the problems that are gonna come if someone steals something from you. They won't be able to claim it. Even if they talk about you, that they stole, that they somehow own it or whatever, it doesn't matter. The paperwork pretty much does all the talking for you. And if you for some reason have to go to court, then go to court, because you already have all the documents. You have everything that you needed to do, and they're gonna have to present their evidence. And if they don't have any, honestly, you have nothing to worry about, because you're the one that made it. You're the one that created the art. You're the one that uploaded to the copyright office. You're the one that got the cyber insurance, so that in case they steal from you, you're covered. You're the one that got all the antivirus and all the stuff that you needed to do to cover yourself up. You did it all, okay? So don't let these things miss. Okay, the copyright, super important, because that's what's gonna give you the ability to say that it is yours. When it comes to the insurance, if someone does somehow, you know, get into your network, into your computer, yeah, it will be covered. All your stuff will be covered, okay? Because you're gonna have cyber liability insurance. So just cover yourself up, man, because these people, I'm telling you, there's a lot of haters. There's a lot of people that are miserable with their lives, and they like to, take the shine out of somebody else because they can't make it themselves. Like I said, human nature is, if I can't make the honey, I'm gonna destroy the hive and take the honey. If I can't make the milk, well, I'm gonna own the cow and I'm gonna milk the cow. So it's gonna be my milk, not the baby's milk. Okay, so yeah, that's human nature. So it's not unheard of, guys. So protect yourself, okay? I think that's pretty much it for now. Um, I will post up the sizes for Redbubble, and if I don't have them all at once, I will eventually post them up, maybe in an Excel sheet, so that you guys can download it and keep it. Anyway, you guys subscribe to Jart, and I wish you guys luck.